Hey, it's Jeremy Latchow here with Macatawa Unmanned. We're out here today doing some research for dune erosion as well as slope analysis of the dunes in Lake Michigan over in Saugatuck. Saugatuck, Michigan is actually where we're at. You can see behind me is Lake Michigan. I'm standing on a dune fairly high up. Today we're going to test out PropellerAero points, new surveying equipment for unmanned systems as well as drones. Extremely accurate. We're going to test it out with an M200 X5S camera, and we're going to see how it performs as well as what the output looks like on the 3D model. Today we're going to fly with the M200 DJI series. It's probably going to take us about two flights total, two sorties total. The first sortie will be about, I don't know, 60%-ish to get done of our flight that we need, and then it'll be about another 40% on the last part of the flight, so we should have some battery life left. We're going to be flying with TB55s. You'll see those the bigger bricks in here, and I'll pull them out and give you a better visual of them. And then we also have backups TB50s just in case we need to do some extra flying. This is our TB55. We got two of these. We want to make sure that all the firmware is updated, ready to go on each individual battery. Otherwise, we're going to have issues today, which we did this morning with our pre-flight checks. So we should be good to go. Here you see our propeller. We got 10 of them each. They come in a package of 5, and then you get 2 packages. Each package has 5 each of the actual ground control points, as you see here. This one says do not move, which will be good today because there's a lot of hikers that go around, try to pick up whatever. In the early mornings in Michigan, they love to hike. So you'll see that. All we got to do is push that button there, and once that button's go, after we lay it out, and then we just leave it out for the entire flight, and it collects the GPS data that we need. Here's our X5S. I'm going to attach this to the M200, and then we're going to program the flight and take off. As you can see here, we've uploaded all 1017 photos. Each photo is represented on the map by a yellow dot, as you can see over there on the right. It shows the locations of 339 of those, and we are good to go. It looks like we've covered extremely well of our spots that we wanted to. So now all we got to do is process it, wait about a day for Propeller to kick it back to us.
Let's do a little elevation here, figure out what's the difference between the top of this dune to the blowout. Looks like we got about 32 feet. Shoot it on over, see what distance we can come up with across. Pretty great tool. As you can see, Propeller's platform is amazing. The accuracy of it goes unmatched. Anything you can do in drone data processing today. And just check out those 3D graphics. Wow. Thanks for joining us today as we test out Propeller and PropellerAero points. For more information, follow us on Facebook as well as YouTube for the latest updates in unmanned systems technologies.